Y'all, what's for dinner tonight? We doing stir fry, beef stir fry and rice, Asian style. I got the bag of stir fry mix that's already in the bag, so I ain't never tasted it before. So that's what we're gonna be working with. We are starting by cutting these strips up. They are like single pieces, but you know, I'm just cutting them in half because we gonna need them, baby. Oh, then we're gonna fry these things up, add that beef stir veggies thing stuff to it. Make us some rice on the side. Make us some rice on the side. Yeah, you know. Alright, so we are letting this cook down. We got a little baby corns in there, some mushrooms, some broccoli, some carrots, red peppers, snap peas. Yeah, and it's the Asian style one. Alright, about to put this beef up in the other pan. Get our silver. Let's see. Gotta let that thing browning up some, you know, get all nice and golden. And then we're gonna add them things together. Add the sauce that come with the vegetables in there. Cook us some rice over here. And we're gonna call it a day. Alright, so our beef is almost there. It's almost ready to get out. I'm gonna drain this off and I'm gonna add it over here with the vegetables. And then the stir fry came with its own sauce packet. So we're gonna add those sauce packets in too. Alright, so now we done added this sauce up in this thing and the beef. So we looking nice and tasty. Yeah, I done already ate a little broccoli out with a piece of beef, but we just had to make sure it was everything, you know. Our rice is over here. Getting this cook on. I need to hurry up because I'm hungry. Yeah. Anyway, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Like the video. It helps me out. You feel me? And if you're not new here, what's up? We been rocking. Alright, our rice is done. Our stir fry is done. We about to eat. Alright, y'all. Oh, I showed y'all the bowl. But, yeah, you know we gotta get our taste tester in. Our taster. Asian stir fry and rice. Got snap peas, carrots, red peppers, mushrooms, broccoli. Yeah, all that. Oh yeah, and beef. Did I say the beef part? Yeah, that too. Dang, man. Dang, man. Stay on the spoon. That big old piece of beef. Oh yeah. There's definitely something. Definitely something I'll buy again. Definitely. Trying to cut this big old broccoli up. The sauce pack is pretty good. That was the part I was really scared about. That sauce, because I was like, I don't know what kind of sauce this is. But, yeah. Y'all should try it. It's Asian stir fry in the blue bag. And it come with the sauce. Good. It's good. Anyway. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see y'all at the next meal. Peace.